Now let's try about the find the value of x of this polygon. Then let's identify how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 sides. So then the name of the polygon is the pentagon. The pentagon. Now, kunin natin ang kanyang sum of the pentagon. The formula is the n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Pentagon has 5 sides. So let n as 5 since this is 5 sides. So now let's solve. N is 5. 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. This 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180 degrees. So 180 times 3, 0. 8 times 2 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So the sum is 540 degrees. Now, since alam na natin yung measure ng sum of the interior, now let's find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now, let's see, this is the angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, and the angle 5. Now, the measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 4 plus measure of angle 5. Ang total nila is 540 degrees. Angle 1 is, this is 90 degrees since the form siya ng right angle. So that's 90 degrees. Plus measure of angle 2, just find the value of x here. Plus measure of angle 3, 90 degrees. This one, this is 90 degrees. And plus x here. Plus measure of angle 5 is 90 degrees again. Now total is 540 degrees. Now just add the 90. So 90 times 3, since tatlo yung 90 natin, 0. 9 times 27, so 270 degrees. So 270 degrees plus dalawang x here equals sa 540 degrees. Now inverse of 270 degrees, ilipat natin sa kabilang side. So the positive 270 will become negative. So we have dalawang x, then 540 degrees minus 270 degrees. Kung natin inverse ng 270, pag nilipat natin sa kabila ay magiging negative for that. Now, since we have the dalawang x, this is 2x degree, and 540 degrees minus 270 degrees. Now, solving 540 degrees minus 270. Now, para hindi na tayong mag-borrow, just minus 1 both sides. So 540 minus 1 is 539. And minus 1270. So minus 269. Well, nag-borrow pa rin tayo. It's okay, so we have 0 and become 13 here. And 4, so we have 7 and 270. Check na natin sa kabila, comparas lang, 0, 14, 7, become 4. Oh, the same lang. So the same lang siya. So therefore, the final answer is, as ko dito ay 270 degrees. And here, search ko na to. So 270 yun. Then divide natin siya sa 2. Both sides. Kasi hanapin lang natin ay ang value ng x. Search ko na to. This is 1. Okay, so 270 degrees divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Then 7. How many to 7? You have 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Then 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. So that is 5. So the answer is 100. So the answer is 130. The answer is 135 degrees. So therefore the value of x is 135 degrees. Okay, this is 135 and this is the 135 degrees. Okay. Next. Now let's find the value of x here. So meron tayong 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and also the 5 sides. So this is 5 sides. 5 sides, and so let's see, this is angle 1, this is 2, this is angle 3, angle 4, and angle 5. So measure ng angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 4 plus measure of angle 5. Now the sum, kunin natin ang sum ng pentagon. So alam na natin na ang sum is 540 degrees. So ang sum niya is 540 degrees. Now let's try to solve. 110 degrees plus x. Pwede here. But meron pa ditong missing about this one. So missing yan, tanda natin na ang measure ng linear pair form of adjacent angles is 180 degrees. So itong 142 degrees, i-minus natin siya sa 180. So 180 minus 42 degrees become ito mag 179. This one is 41. So you have 8, 138. So this is 138. Angle 3 is 138. 30 degrees. Now the angle 4 plus angle 4 is 2x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. At ang isa pa, this one. So ito ay magiging 100 degrees. Now just add. I-add natin lahat to find the answer. 110 plus 100 is 210. Then 348. So you have 348 plus 3x, then 540 degrees. Then 3x plus 540 degrees minus 348. So 3x 540 minus 348.